In this tutorial, I want to show you how to dictate text using Microsoft Outlook. The dictate feature is something fairly new, and I don't use it very often because I use an alternative system to dictate text. Having stated that, it's something that I feel can be used, but you got to work with it. So let me show you how this works. Here's an open email. And I'm going to click right here in the subject line, and I'm going to click up top where it says dictate. I have a microphone in my office that I use to dictate text. This is an example of dictating text in Microsoft Outlook. Hi, my name is Tony Holowitz, comma. How are you today? Question mark. Tab key. New paragraph. I am doing well. I hope you are the same. Period. This is an example of working with dictating text in Microsoft Outlook. Period. As you can see, it messed up my last name. And I can't figure out how to add my name to the vocabulary in this tool. I clicked on the microphone again because I had turned it off. How are you doing? Are you learning some things? So the auto punctuation seems to be working pretty well. Awesome. Well, this is just an example, but something you should try and see if it works better for you. Thank you. Period. At this point, I'm going to turn off the dictation. So as you can see, you want to mess around with this. Go in, have some fun with it, see if you can get it to work. And I'll keep you updated, if not necessarily in the Microsoft Outlook tutorials, but somewhere along the line I'll show you how to work with dictation as it evolves and gets better. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much.